Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. In this video, we're featuring the Firehouse Technologies Tactical Lighting Kit for the DJI Avata 2. I'm going to show you how to install this kit, and then we're going to take it out in the field and see how it does. This tactical light kit from Firehouse Technologies is very easy to install on the Avata 2. We're going to take our front two lights here and snap them in just behind the gimbal camera guard. Now that those are installed, we're going to take the bottom lights and snap them into this space here on the frame. Give them a good push to make sure they see correctly. That one's in. Now we take the other one and do the same. Now that we have our tactical light kit installed, let's go out in the field, find somewhere dark, and see how these lights would do in a public safety application. We're at our Aventura store. I'm going to power on the Avata, power on the tactical light kit, then we're going to open the front door and fly through the store with all the lights off. So we have the top lights at the max intensity and the bottom lights we set on strobe. So let's get in the goggles and take off. My first impression with the Firehouse Technologies Tactical Light Kit is it feels very light on the drone. I can't feel the weight of the kit on the Avata 2, and they did a great job positioning the lights so that they balance out on the drone well. And as you can see, having a light kit like this for first responder use is instrumental for interior reconnaissance, and ultimately, the drone and light setup is going to give officers situational awareness while also keeping them a safe distance from any danger. Now, we did encounter a bit of signal interference on the GPS module of the Avata 2 once the door was shut, especially when near the rear metal bay door. I was still able to get a great look at the inside of the building with this light kit. My environment was perfectly lit, and I felt confident flying the Avata 2 inside this building. With the built-in propeller guards on the Avata 2, you'll notice that I bumped into a couple objects while on my mission, and the drone kept flying without any issues. Overall, the Avata 2 paired with the Firehouse Technologies Tactical Light Kit was easy to fly and helped light up the scene for situational awareness. Now, if this were a real first responder situation, officers would now have the information that they need to come up with a plan for how to handle the situation and report back to headquarters. If you have any questions about the Tactical Light Kit from Firehouse Technologies or the Avata 2, go ahead and put those in the comments. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.